Hey, you guys, this is a fun Minecraft fact that people would definitely do, which is making banners, but or shields. You can actually make banner shields. You can make United States or Japan, and a whole bunch of other shields that no one has ever thought of. And I started making shields out. You can make Japan and United States with shield. But you cannot add the stars because on this they don't have stars. So now you cannot make stars, but you can also make shields that are made for another states. But all my shields are here, so I know where the shields are. That shield, that shield. But also you can also, I do not want to talk about what happened over here. So don't ask why there is, oh, why are you still alive? Yeah, this is unspeakable, the what happened up here. But no one survived. So here it's perfectly fine, and I'll be protecting this in a different place because I'm not the one who's doing it. But you can make banners and shields, and I'll show you how. First, they're gonna have to get a loom. First, get a loom. It's gonna be easy to make. When you got your loom, get a crafting table, then get a banner of your choice. Then get a color of your choice. Hold on. Let's see if I can make the United Kingdom. United Kingdom flag. That'll be good. That I can make. Let's do this. Red, red, two reds, two whites. Let's okay, one. Then you have to build your flag or your banner. Okay, and this should be over here like this. No, white first and red. The red should be like this. Yes. Well, it would be three reds. White. I'm totally doing this wrong. Yeah, I'm totally doing this wrong. Great progress does great work. Why does the United Kingdom's flag has to be so weird? I still feel like I'm doing this wrong. Who cares? This is a tutorial how to make a flag. Well, how to make a banner shield. Dude, make another one of that. Didn't want a green one, I wanted a blue one. Two reds and two whites. Why does white dye look different than red in our ones? The red's messed up, so do that. So I think I need the reds. Then the white. Then the black. Then the other one. Then you need a red dye, so goodbye red dye. Next, get your shield. Go into a crafting table, put your banner and your shield up. Then boom, you got a shield. And a United Kingdom flag. And a United Kingdom flag. Don't even ask why I had the Orb of Dominus. Just don't bother asking. I want flat land. Should have went to a flat road then. Oh well. The Orb of Dominus. Now you have Japan, America. If you can, make it weird. United Kingdom flag. And probably other ones like China, Mexico. Then in the Mexico, Venezuela. Where is this? And I'm gonna be trying to find. And we found another village. 3 villages in one spot. Wow. New record. Hey, they got this. Throw a heavy core. Throw the heavy core in. Throw the Orb of Dominus in. Before that stupid witch gets it. Why not throw everything that I have away? Go in. And this was just gonna be the tutorial on how to make other shields. I can just break this guy, repair him. Hit him until he breaks. This guy has physics like, oh my god, it's taking too long. This guy has physics like braking, and then you can repair him to where the braking was. So yeah, this guy has physics, and then when our armor breaks, then when our armor breaks, they don't have any physics, unlike the chainmail armor that has holes in it. So yeah, that's what she has a tutorial on how to make other shields. Yeah, this thing has different than this. One red, and another red. That is why it's different. Oh, well, that's what she has a tutorial on how to make it. So yeah, this video is going to be kind of long.